Greetings and welcome to the HouseLux Estate, your trusted companion for professional growth and lifestyle enhancement. Here at HouseLux, we believe in empowering you with the knowledge and insights necessary to reach your full potential. Whether you're climbing the corporate ladder or carving your own path, we're here to help enhance your journey. Our mission is to provide you with valuable tips and strategies to excel in your career and lead a fulfilling lifestyle. Today, we'll explore 10 essential soft skills to boost your earning potential. Our first soft skill is communication, a vital cog in the machinery of professional success. Effective communication can truly make or break relationships and efficiency at work. Imagine a well-oiled machine, where every part communicates seamlessly with the others. That's what your workplace can be like with excellent communication. Good communication isn't just about speaking eloquently, it's about listening actively, understanding, and then responding appropriately. It's a two-way street. When we talk about communication, we're also talking about written communication. Your emails, your reports, your presentations, they all speak volumes about your communication skills. So how do you develop this skill? Start by practicing active listening. Pay attention to your body language. Be clear and concise in your messages. And remember, practice makes perfect. Writing is another aspect that you can work on. Effective written communication can be as simple as avoiding jargon and using plain, straightforward language. Remember, clear communication is a key to success. Moving on to our second soft skill, teamwork. This skill is a cornerstone in every successful venture. Whether it's in an office or on a sports field, teamwork is the fuel that allows common people to attain uncommon results. The synergy of a team's collective effort often yields better results than an individual's solitary struggle. Why? Because each person brings a unique perspective, skill set, and solution to the table. So, how can you be a good team player? First, respect your colleagues' ideas and contributions. Remember, each voice matters. Second, be reliable. Your team should know they can count on you. Third, communicate effectively. Clear, concise communication prevents misunderstandings and fosters a harmonious work environment. And finally, be adaptable. Flexibility is a sign of strength, not weakness. Remember, a single leaf working alone provides no shade, but together leaves can create a canopy. That's the power of teamwork. Together, we achieve more. Next up is adaptability, an essential soft skill that's as crucial as it is overlooked. In an ever-evolving work landscape, the ability to adapt and pivot is paramount. No 2 days are ever the same. New challenges and opportunities will always present themselves. And the ability to adjust your sails to the changing winds can mean the difference between success and stagnation. So how do we become more adaptable? Start by stepping out of your comfort zone. Welcome new experiences, technologies, and methodologies with an open mind. Embrace change, don't resist it. Be a lifelong learner. Educate yourself on new industry trends and developments. Don't just keep up with the times, stay ahead of them. Lastly, learn to handle uncertainty without panicking. Change is often accompanied by uncertainty. Being adaptable means riding the waves of uncertainty with grace and resilience. Remember, it's not the strongest or the most intelligent who survive, but those who can best manage change. Stay flexible, stay successful. Our fourth soft skill is problem solving. Now let's think about this. The world isn't perfect and issues will always arise. But the ability to turn those challenges into opportunities is what separates the average from the exceptional. That's where problem-solving skills come in. It's about looking at a problem and not just finding a solution, but finding the best solution. And often, that involves thinking outside the box. So, how can you enhance these skills? Start by embracing the problems you face. See them as opportunities to learn and grow. Next, practice mindfulness. This will help you stay calm and focused when faced with a problem. And remember, don't rush to find a solution. Take your time, consider all the angles, and then decide on the best course of action. Learning to solve problems effectively can truly transform your career, helping you to stand out and succeed. So, remember, turn challenges into opportunities. Moving forward, we have creativity. Often overlooked, creativity is a powerful soft skill that can dramatically boost your earning potential. Not just for those in artistic fields, creativity is about thinking differently, finding new ways around problems, and generating ideas that add value to your organization. It's the spark that leads to innovation and progress in the workplace. So how do we foster this essential skill? Well, start by embracing curiosity. Question the status quo and explore new perspectives. Encourage diversity of thought and be open to unexpected solutions. Foster an environment of psychological safety, where ideas are freely shared and valued. And remember, creativity thrives on collaboration. So engage with others, brainstorm, and let the synergy of collective minds ignite the spark of innovation. Creativity doesn't just happen. It's nurtured, fostered, and cultivated. So embrace your creative side, bring fresh ideas to the table, and watch your earning potential soar, innovate, and progress. Our sixth soft skill is work ethic. This is the engine that drives your professional journey. It's about being dedicated, reliable, and going the extra mile. A strong work ethic is a beacon, making you stand out as a valuable asset in any workplace. It boosts productivity, and more than that, it builds your reputation as someone who can be counted on. But how can you improve your work ethic? First, set clear and achievable goals. This will give you direction and purpose. Next, develop self-discipline. This means prioritizing tasks and maintaining focus even when it's challenging. Third, cultivate a positive attitude. This isn't about ignoring difficulties, but rather, it's about facing them with a can-do spirit. Finally, embrace continuous learning. The world is constantly changing, and so should your skill set. Remember, your work ethic is a reflection of your character. It's a testament to your dedication, commitment, and professionalism. Work hard, earn more. And next, we have interpersonal skills. These are the tools we use to interact and communicate with individuals in an organizational setting. They involve not just clear and effective communication, but also a keen understanding of human behavior and dynamics. Interpersonal skills are the bedrock of building strong, healthy relationships, whether it's with your boss, your peers, or your subordinates. They foster a positive work environment where people feel heard, valued, and respected. So how can you enhance these skills? Start by being a good listener. Understand the perspectives of others. Practice empathy. Be aware of your body language and the nonverbal cues you're giving off. Learn to manage and resolve conflicts in a constructive manner. Remember, every interaction is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to build relationships. It's about understanding and connecting with people on a deeper level. So invest in your interpersonal skills. They are the keys to unlocking a world of opportunities. Build relationships, build success. Our penultimate soft skill is time management. We've all heard the saying, time is money. And nowhere is this more true than in the professional world. The ability to manage your time efficiently can dramatically boost your productivity and, by extension, your earning potential. Imagine having a clear view of your daily tasks, deadlines, and priorities. You're able to tackle high-priority tasks first, moving on to less urgent ones only when your main tasks are complete. This not only increases your productivity, but also reduces stress levels, allowing you to perform at your best. So how can we manage our time more effectively? Start with setting clear, attainable goals. Break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable parts. Prioritize these tasks and dedicate specific time slots to work on them. And remember, it's also important to take regular breaks to refresh and recharge. To sum up, effective time management is about more than just getting things done. It's about getting the right things done in the right order. Manage time, manage success. Finally, we have confidence. Confidence, my friend, isn't just about standing tall and speaking loudly. It's about believing in your abilities, your strengths, and even acknowledging your weaknesses. Confidence is the backbone of success. It's the magic ingredient that can elevate your performance to new heights. Imagine walking into a meeting or a presentation armed with the belief that you can handle whatever comes your way. That's the power of confidence. It's the spark that ignites the fire of potential within you, propelling you to take on challenges and seize opportunities. Now, how do we boost this powerful ally? Start by celebrating your achievements, no matter how small. Embrace the art of positive self-talk. Surround yourself with people who inspire and motivate you. Practice, practice, and practice some more until you are comfortable in your own skin. Remember, confidence isn't something you're born with, it's something you build. Boost your confidence, boost your earnings. In conclusion, these 10 soft skills can significantly boost your earning potential. From honing your communication skills to fostering creativity, from mastering time management to exuding confidence, each of these skills plays a crucial role in your career growth. Remember, the journey of continuous learning and improvement never ends. Every step you take towards honing these skills is a step towards a higher earning potential. Don't forget to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more insights and tips. Boost your skills, boost your earnings.